Vande Gurupadadandam Bhakta-vrinda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Vande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nandanandana Vande Radhika Charanayadayam Gopijana Samajuktam Vrindavano Manoharam Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. Today is Ekadashi day, 11th day of waxing moon cycle on Jyeshta month. Jyeshta month. Vedic month is Jyeshta, second month. Today is also very special, called Pandava Nirjala Ekadashi. We are not thinking about, okay, today I will observe only once Ekadashi, once in a year the Ekadashi. Because Krishna says to Bhima, Bhima say, I have a fire in my belly, a brick of fire in my belly. I can't observe Ekadashi. So Krishna gave him option. If you do this Ekadashi, means waxing, 11th day of waxing moon cycle on Jyeshta month, Ekadashi, Pandava Nirjala Ekadashi. It is Ekadashi because of the special instruction Krishna gave to Bhima. Only once you observe, then you don't need to observe anymore. But very strict manner. But our main purpose is not like escaping Ekadashi, therefore I can only once in a year do it and rest 47 Ekadashi. Because once in a month, twice Ekadashi, 12 months, 24 Ekadashi. And then rest 23 Ekadashi. I can be free. It's not that. Ekadashi means very auspicious. Why? For Gaudiya Vaishnava, they should think about in a spiritual abode, there is a huge festival, Lord Hari's festival. We are not able to go over there. We are not able to reach over there. But there is huge festival. Therefore we are observing here Lord Chaitanya Lord Chaitanya, He is Supreme Lord, appear here in the form of Lord Chaitanya. How He observed Ekadashi? He observed Ekadashi just Sankirtan fest. Si Hari Vasare Hari Kirtana Vidhan Nitya Arambhila Prabhu Jagatiro Pran. Si Hari Vasar. Hari Vasar means Vasar means festival. Hari is festival. Where? In spiritual abode. What he established in this day? Kirtana Vidhan. Kirtan. Congregational chanting. And dancing. Nritya Arambhila. Nritya means dancing. That they need. So we are supposed to do this like that. Whole day we are supposed to observe such dancing and chanting. And no food, no eating, no sleeping. Ahara Nidra is to quit today. But we are conditioned so. Therefore, Sanatana Goswami Pad gave us some option. What option is? If we are not able to observe full fast or dry fast, then he says, take only fruits and a root and water. Fruit, root and water. That's all. Eventually, we are adding milk product, water, milk product, and fruits and root. Then eventually, also we are. Also, I know Gaudiya are not doing it, but some places who is following Gaudiya philosophy, but huge society. They are adding salad, they are adding so many things, eggplant, tomato, cabbage, which is called sabji, not fruits root, cauliflower, I don't know what else, maybe buckwheat cake, buckwheat puri, quinoa, yada, so many things. So nowadays it become Ekadasi fest, not like a Anukalpa. Anukalpa means what? How much we need to survive just to protect this body. Protection of this body, how much we need, that much quantity we can have it. When? If possible, after sunset. First, no water, no nothing, but dry fast with no sleep, no eat. But if you are not able to observe dry fast, after sunset, we can have those food, roots and fruits and water and milk. If it is fresh cow milk, not like a commercial milk, commercial farm, dairy farm, eat not, because no, don't trust, we don't trust. We're supposed to be really very picky things. Yeah. Because nowadays entire society. They are hankering for money. So cow farm, they are really bad way they treat Gomata. If you have own Goshala, then you can have the milk. You can have milk product without grains. Don't add any grains. Only fruits and root. That is and if not possible after sunset, then at least after midday. If not possible midday to observe fast, then whole day you can take fruits, roots and water and milk. That much quantity, how much you need to survive yourself. Not like a belly papa and want to sleep. Not like that. That is the way, if you observe it, when the food stop, then kirtan, sankirtan stop. In your home, it is not possible to maintain the congregational chanting. At least chant on the beads. The Ekadasi, we say upavas. Upavas means the two word, two meaning. Word is one, but meaning is two. What upo means near, living near to whom? Near to God. So in this iron age of hypocrisy, Kali Yuga, Krishna appeared in the form of his holy name. Kali Kale Naam Rupe Krishna Avatar. Naam Hoit Hoive Shakpo Jagot Nishtar. In this iron age, Krishna appeared in the form of his holy name. Through the name, all the living being can be delivered in this Kali Yuga. And if you chant holy name, Lord appear to you. In that way we can stay near to Lord. So therefore, Gaudiya Math devotee only observe that purpose, not like any other material purpose. Although there is benefit, three types of benefit. It is Ekadasi day. When Ekadasi, form of Ekadasi means one, Devi form, who is appear from the body of Lord Vishnu. Why she appeared from the body of Lord Vishnu? Then you can look the history. There is a demonic mood, very ferocious. All the god and goddesses, they become fearful to see his form, see his action. So to see him, they all the left heaven and went to Vishnu Lok and convey the message. They are in trouble by mood. They request Vishnu to help and remove the mood. Vishnu says, I don't like to kill him, but I will help you. Whenever you get any chance, you can just kill him. So all together, all the god and goddesses together, and Lord Vishnu, together with Lord Vishnu, they came to fight. They came into the battle to fight against Moor, but Moor really ferocious. All the left. So after that, when all they left, 1,000 years Lord Vishnu fighting alone, no one coming. So after 1,000 years when Lord Vishnu saw, I don't like to kill him, why I fight? But fight going on like a mouse and cat. Lord Vishnu like a cat, moved like a mouse. But this demonic nature like this. Oh, I am fighting long time. Vishnu not able to do anything for me. But he is not thinking Vishnu can kill him, but Vishnu doesn't want to kill him. Why? Because he doesn't want to deliver him. Is the main reason. Therefore he came from the battle to Himalaya, on a cave, the Badrinarayan. That cave he is taking a rest. While he is taking a rest, mood is thinking maybe Vishnu, out of my fear, he left. But I don't like to leave him. I like to kill him now. Then was Vishnu pretending like asleep. Then he expanded in the form of one Devi, to whom we call Vaishnavi Devi. The Vaishnavi Devi, you can go Amarnath, right? There is Vaishnavi Devi near Jammu. There is Vaishnavi Devi. So she appeared and fight with more 15 days. And then he killed. Then after, when more killed by that Devi, Ekadashi Devi, the Lord wake and become happy and ask, with happiness, he ask him, I just tell him this, ask some boon, I like to give a boon. Then she asked 3 boon. All boon is beneficial for us. What first boon was, what is the benefit to travel all pilgrimage, Tirtha, and taking bath in all holy river? What is the benefit if accumulate together around the world? How many pilgrimage, how many holy river, take bath and travel, we accumulate everything. How much benefit is there if anyone observe my day properly means no, what I explained, no grants like that. They will get, the observer will get more than that. Lord said, Tathast. Okay. Second, he says, anyone observe my day properly, they will get, observer will get devotion to serve your lotus feet. Tathast. Third one, if anyone observe with any mundane intention, they also, that intention also fulfill mundane gain also, they will get mundane gain if they want. But Gaudiya Math, their goal is not that. Their goal to get only bhakti. Means who is following the footsteps of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur, Gaur Kshira, they are in the question of Gaudiya Math. Whoever observes footsteps of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Srila Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj, and Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur and his disciples, loyal disciples, and his loyal grand disciples, great grand disciples, if they observe, their main purpose only get bhakti. So today, Pandava Nirjala Don't think that, okay, I will observe only one Ekadasi and rest 23 Ekadasi in a year I will do as I like. No, don't do that. Observe Ekadasi and make your life full of devotion, full of benediction. So this is the short form of Ekadasi's glories. Also in these Ekadasi days, try to think about pure devotees' life history. Pure devotees, how you can associate with them. Pure devotees association, we can just glorify pure devotees and pure devotees. We can have the association of the benefit to get association of pure devotee. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur composed one very nice song. Shuddha Bhakata Charana Renu Bhajana Anukulo Bhakata Seva Parama Siddhi Premalati Karamulo. Pure devotee. They are fit dust, tiny fire spark form of fit dust. Charanarenu. Bhajana Anukuli, favorable for Lord services. The Bhakata Seva serve those devotees. Seva means with our each activities make them happy. An object of service should be happy with their activities, each activities. Now one sense we are observing, we are making happy. Another sense I am blaspheming to others. It's not like that. With each activity we should make them happy. That is the Bhakata Seva. An object of service should be happy. So here object of service is Bhakta, devotee, pure devotees. Parama Siddhi, ultimate perfection. Why? Because if we please Bhakta, pure devotee, the Lord become happy. The Lord says, Mad Bhakta Pujyabhyadikaha. My devotees worship has first preference. Abhyadikaha. So Bhakata Seva Parama Siddhi. What is the ultimate perfection? Prem. Premalati Karmul, root of creeper of love. Premalatika, loving keeper. Is Bhakata Seva. Bhakata Seva Parama Siddhi Premalati Karmulo. Therefore, people are clever. They are observing Dadosi Vaishnava Seva. Because Ekadasi day, pure devotee not eating anything, not fruits, not root, fruits, nothing. So they are very clever. They are putting some effort to arrange special feast on the day of Dadasi, Bhakata Seva. As whoever do so whoever observe the Ekadasi day, their fruits also goes to them. Who is observing, who is arranging the Dadasi feast. So anyway, so Bhakta, devotee always clever. They always handling everything cleverly. So all of you should observe everything cleverly, actually cleverly, and make your life perfect. So all those days we observe that Maithili song. Oh, okay, Prabhu. He's not coming. When they're coming, I said, we need some fresh air. Look, all those days we are just trying to understand what is the ultimate destiny of our spiritual practice. Right? We started means Raya Ramananda started Sadharma. Sadharmachara means our own practice, own religiosity. Varieties all religion. Like someone, Vaishya, they should observe business. Brahmana, they should observe puja. Kshatriya, they should observe fighting. That is. But gradually, Lord Chaitanya, through Raya Ramananda, established. When he reached Jnana Shunya Bhakti, then he said, Eo hoy, age ko hoy. Before Sadharma, Sadharmacharan, Sadharma Tag, say, Eo Vajjo. Vajjo means it is not acceptable, go ahead. Then Karma, then Karma Shunna, then Jnana, until the Jnana is say, Eo Vajjo means it is ignorable. Go ahead. Jnana Shunna is Eo hoy. Okay, go ahead. Then Radha Prem. Then this is the Madhurya Prem, the Radha Prem. Now we finish this Prema Bilas Vivartam. That is the vow. Prema Bilas Vivartam. In this regard, when Raya Ramananda chant one song which is composed by him, it is written in Maithil language. Then Mahaprabhu, with his palm, close his mouth. Such a deep and touchy in that sense. For devotees, pure devotees, it is touchy. For materialistic people, that is materialistic. Material conjugal relation, conjugal interaction. So therefore, he said, no, it is not discussable in front of everyone. Therefore, we can see Lord Chaitanya discuss about this intimate relation of our divine couple in a small room, Gambhira, at Jagannath Puri. With who? With Swarup Damodar Raya Ramananda, not the general audience. So we have been reached like that. So, Premo Bilas Vivartam. Prema Bilas means sambhogs, means enjoyment, enjoy. Vivarta means separation. Both combination in one place. That we explain. Now, Prabhu kaya Shaddha Vastur Avadi ei hoy. Prabhu means Lord Chaitanya, Mahaprabhu. Shaddha Vastu means object of our ultimate destiny of our spiritual practice is what Prem Bilas Vivarta. So much enjoyment and so much separation together. We have enjoyment in temple right now. Nice prasadam. Staying together. Nice using light. In home we are always calculating about electric bill I have to pay. Now we are not thinking. Electric bill, Dauji will pay. Right? So this is very nice plan for us. We have enjoyment here, but no separation. Why not separation? No service mood. When service mood is there, separation should be there. If something happened here, unusual thing happened here, I think all will leave from here. Who can stay here? Only Radha, only who has sound faith on Dauji, means Guru Parampara. Dauji serving Krishna with 5 features. Dauji means Balaram. He is always there. When we have tendency to leave, we have to know that means we have no sound faith on our deities, on our parampara. Why? What faith? The Supreme Lord is always is our well-wisher. That we don't have faith. Therefore we want to leave. God, what He does, everything is beneficial for us. That we don't believe it. Therefore we want to leave it. So therefore, we should think about it. We should think about it. How much we have important. So, this separation we don't have. Why? Because in the name of devotee, more or less all we are become opportunists to get some advantage of Lord blessings to survive in this material world. We are not ready to reach the ultimate destiny of our spiritual practice. Prema Bilas Vibhatta stage. Prema Bilas. That is several days we explain. So now therefore there, Prabhu kahe Shaddha Vastur Abodhi hi hai. This is the demarcation of Shaddha Vastu. Ultimate demarcation, ultimate Abodhi. Shaddha Vastu. Sadhu means? Sadhu means? Sadhu means? Attain the goal. That is our goal. What goal? To reach the Prema Bilas Vibhatta stage. Radha Prem. Beyond top, Radha Prem. Tomar prasada yaha janilo nishchay. By your grace, Mahaprabhu, out of humility, Tomar prasada, by your mercy, I come to know about it. This Prema Bilas Vibhatta. Sambho and separation. Enjoyment and separation together. Mahaprabhu said, we believe, actually, Mahaprabhu is telling, instructing or explaining through Raya Ramananda. If someone is telling us, Abhimal Krishna, you are such a knowledgeable, you are realized soul, we feel puffed up. A Guru bless me. I have quality. He'll preach everywhere. Right? Guru appreciate me. But Vaishnava nature is not like that. But nowadays you can see very rare Vaishnava, they are giving credit to our parampara. Instead of that, they are always puffing up themselves. That is my credit. I get Guru's blessings. I get this, I get that. Always trying to promote. But Vaishnava's attitude always promoting others, Vaishnava. Nowadays, almost zero. Promoting other Vaishnava is almost zero. Zigzag manner, we trying, this is especially me. Zigzag manner, I trying to promote myself. I am the best. So this is the nature of Kali Yuga. Therefore, in order to understand, so we have to read rest. What is that? Saddha vastu sadhan bina keho nahi pa kripa kori kahorai pabar upay kahorai orai. Mahaprabhu says, Saddha vastu, to attain the goal, we are not able to attain the goal unless we have no sadhana practice. Saddha vastu sadhan. Sadhan means practice, spiritual practice. Without spiritual practice, no one can attain the goal, ultimate goal. Kripa kori. Kripa kori means, please bestow your mercy. Kaho Rai, tell me Rai, Ramananda. Pavar upay, how can I get it? How can I reach? Who asked? Supreme Lord in the form of Lord Chaitanya asking why? He is teaching us. Bhakta Bhav. He appeared in the form of devotee, sannyasis. Nowadays sannyasi means, especially me, I don't like to say others, good prasadam, good pranami, and best accommodation. That is called sannyasi's honor. Right? But therefore you can see who has little bit realization about sannyasi's present benefit. Internally they want to be sannyasis. So many sannyasi nowadays. Bhaktivinoda Thakur clearly explained in Bengali language. Whenever you see so many saffron robe in present society, then you have to know present society is in trouble. But we know when saffron robe surrounding this society, it is beneficial for our society. But why Bhaktivinoda Thakur says so? Do you think Bhaktivinoda Thakur foolish? Foolishly explained? He had some realization. Kali Yuga, people will be opportunist, and this thing happened. This thing happening now. The sadhan, what is sadhan? To reach the ultimate destiny. Sadhan is Harinam. What is the benefit to chant Harinam? Benefit to chant Harinam is this, to be free from all material attachment. You can see when Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta established the trustee board. Who was in the trustee? Kunjivari Vidyabhushan. Right? He was wearing white robe. White robe. Paramananda Vidyavinath wearing white robe. Both are householder. Ananta Vasudev Prabhu, white robe. When he established the trustee, three trustee, all are white. Why? Where sannyasis is not their duty to protect the property. Their duty to protect spiritual practice of their devotees. How to protect. But nowadays we are also opportunists now. We are going to devotees' house, increase their faith on you, and collect money and keeping so much money in bank. My name also has so many money. So many bank. Yeah, I am. So many, sir. I'm not talking about me because I am wearing red glass, therefore I look everything red. My eyes is dirty, therefore I look everyone in dirty way. So nowadays sannyasi, it's Kali Yuga, regarding just to think about this 12th canto Srimad Bhagavatam, how Vasudev explained that. Sannyasi, they will be businessman. Householder, Kali Yuga, that is going to happen. Householder, they will depending on sannyasi. Today, just evening time I gave class, Gaur Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj told by one rich man, rich person. The Babaji Maharaj, you are here in this small hut, bank of Ganga river. Better for you, you can come to my home. I can give you comfortable room and delicious prasad, delicious food. There's no need to think about food and accommodation. You can chant peacefully there. Then Babaji Maharaj replied, it is better to be an ox. An ox. This Indian ox, they are moving surrounding market, eating from the market. They are not, no householder keeping ox in their home. This is called Dharmeshal. People believe here in India, they believe that all the ox is like a symbol of religion. Ox also bearer of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva's family very much significant family, we can say. Why? Shiva bearer is ox, cow, right? Durga's bearer is lion. Ganesh bearer is rat. Shivas also have Ananta says, snake. Kartik is peacock. Peacock food is a snake. Lion food is ox. Snake food is rat. All are peacefully. Therefore I am telling you, significant family. Kali Yuga symbol like this. It should be here, like this. But we have, when we are fully devoted, we can keep amicable relation amongst each other instead of intense relation, keeping intense relation. Because we have no intention to reach the goal, to attain the goal. Our main goal, temple is like a platform to survive our material life, and in between we can also have some spiritual practice. If we have such tendency, I don't think so everyone has that, but most of them. Therefore, temple is suffering. Although we have all material facility, but still we are suffering. Devotionally suffering. So therefore, we should think about. Always we have to beg to the qualified person. How Mahaprabhu begging. Mahaprabhu sannyasis are begging to Raya Ramananda. Kripa kori kahorai pabaro pai. Please mercifully tell me how to get that taste of Prema Vilas Vivarta. You have to beg, not like a challenge. Okay, I will chant, I will get it. Therefore, door of devotion is surrender. Begging is surrender. Beggar have no demand. Oh, if you say like that, I cannot do that. Beggar have no demand. Whatever the people will offer, you have to accept it. My spiritual master, he tell me that same thing. Whoever wants to give whatever they wants to give you, don't refuse anything. 1 rupee, accept it. 50 paise, accept it. And more than all, you accept. And try to use it, everything, for the service of Lord. That is my Gurudev giving me instruction. But I am unqualified, I am not able to follow. But don't be attached, he says, with all the temple opulence. Think everything Lord opulence. You are here as like a caretaker, a servant of Lord properties. That's all. If we keep such mood, I hope mercifully Lord send perfect Vaishnava, pure devotee, who will explain, mercifully explain how to attain our goal of spiritual practice. Mercifully. If you look, I am qualified. First of all, you have to be qualified. Not like taking information, keep in a pocket. And out of curiosity, you are judging, coming to judge Vaishnava. It is also not applicable in devotional practice. So, Vaishnava path is such a clear and clean and highest path. We cannot compare with others. Oh, that society telling me that. How many opinions, that many paths, that is also one path. Like one Swamiji, yesterday he called me. I am in your Puri temple. Since I'm locked down here, and I am staying here, I am following Prabhupada's rules, everything. He said, I am Swamiji. I asked, who is your guru? He said, Prabhupada. Which year you get initiation? No, I'm not getting initiation from him. In mind, I accept him as my guru. I never say anything. What's your qualification? I am a chartered accountant. So why you become sannyasi? You want to be sannyasi? So I am following Prabhupada's footsteps. Okay. I never say anything to him, But I saw in his, Sai Baba's picture there. Everybody's picture, he's worshipping in her Gopinath Gauri mode in his guest room. Therefore, maybe our Gopinath was not happy with him. Therefore, he tried to complain. I said, this thing, anything happened over there? No, actually, no, everybody not happy with me. Everybody like blaspheming. I am thinking not to go any places, outside and everything. Bogas. What happened? My point is this, he has no any idea about Vaishnava practice. In mind, I can think, I am disciple of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It will not work. We have to pray to Lord. Lord will send and send his representative, and we accept that representative accordingly. Then we can go ahead with the sadhana as per paramparas, who can explain paramparas entire practice. That is real representative of parampara. Not like opportunities. According to my benefit, I will explain accordingly all the shastras. It will not work. So Mahaprabhu, with example, is how to approach, he's showing us. Don't discriminate a sannyasi or his householder. If you look, Raya Ramananda is not even Brahmin. Mahaprabhu Brahmin and sannyasis high class. But he is asking to whom? Raya Ramananda. And what he asks? Kripa kari kaho Rai. Oh Rai, please tell me out of your mercy, what is the actual way or path to reach the destiny, attain the goal. Rai says, Jai kaho sei kohi bani. Very nice, huh? Ki kohi e bhalo mando kichui na jani. Rai says, whatever you want me to say, I am just telling accordingly. Jai kaho, whatever you are want me to tell, I am just telling you. Sei kohi bani, that I am telling. Bani means this is in that way I am telling you. Ki kohi e bhalo mando kichui na jani. I don't know what is good or what is bad. I don't know at all. You are there, here. I am like I am like a your servant. You are Lord. You are whatever you want me to do, want me to tell, I just tell you. I don't know anything. What is good or what is bad. ত্রিভুবন মধ্যে হইছে হয় কোন ধীর যে তোমার মায়া নাটে হইবে স্থির. In this entire threefold of universe, who can be dheer, intellectual? Who has such intelligence to understand you? যে তোমার মায়ায় নাটে হইবে স্থির. তোমার মায়া. Because such a humble manner he approached like he doesn't know anything. This is the nature of Vaishnava. Vaishnava may be highly qualified. They're greeting everyone, humble manner. Why? Because you can see there is explanation. Narottam Thakur compose it. হইয়াছে ন হইবে ন প্রভুর যত দাস সবার চরণ বন্ধ সবার চরণ দন্তে করি ঘাস সবার চরণ বন্ধ দন্তে করি হইয়াছেন হইবেন. Who already Vaishnava, who is aspiring Vaishnava. I am how many servant? Everyone. I am praying to their lotus feet. How? Dante kori khasa. One straw in between teeth. Means fully surrender. There is no argument tendency. Dante kori has means if you want to speak, then ghas with straw will not be in your teeth. It's fall. There's no argument. Surrender means like that. Mahaprabhu surrendered. Although he is not surrendered, he is coming here to deliver to Sarvabhauma. But Sarvabhauma 7 days, whatever he described about Vedanta, Vedanta commentary, what he gave, everything he listened carefully, just silently he was listening. Never complained. When he complained, when he asked, do you understand? He said, no. The truth. He's speaking truth. No? Okay, I'm giving you more explanation. Then he says the same thing. 9 types of explanation. Same thing, I don't understand. I understand your text, Vedanta text, but not understand your commentary. Then finally Mahaprabhu, when he describing the 18 type of commentary on that same Lord's Karuna, Lord Matsya, he Bhukku, that sloka, and then Sarvabhauma thinking, who is he? They appeared, 6 arms, bow and arrow, Treta Yuga Ram, playing flute, Dwapar Yuga Krishna. I am sitting here, standing here, Dandakamundal, look, who am I? His query was, who is he? Such a nice explanation, I never heard about it. Bhakti is like that. Devotion blossom that much, how much we become humble. Because ornament of Vaishnavism, ornament of devotional practice is humility. Not like aggressiveness, puffed upness. So now, there is in present Vaishnava community, especially me, is so much popped up. Therefore, you can see in our temple so much problem. Everybody have intense relation. So, what is supposed to do? Supposed to follow the footsteps. What footsteps? Mahaprabhu showing us. Brahmin, sannyasis, Supreme Lord, but acting like a nothing. Surrendered to whom? Surrendered to who is not Brahmin, Sudra, governor, right? Not sannyasi, surrendered to him. This kaho, kripa kori kahora means, this means please tell me out of our mercy. That is the meaning, surrender meaning. So anyway, so then Rai also such a great exemplary Vaishnava. Because he is not ordinary, he is actually Vishakha Devi. Tribhuvana Madhya Joiche Hoy Kondhi. In this threefold of universe, who can understand intellectually to you? It is not possible to understand. Je tomar maya nate hoi vextir. Your presentation, humility, tolerance, intelligence, logic, who can be steered? Who can be fixed? If we are in Lord Maya, that we can be fixed. Sthir means fixed. We can be fixed. Yeah. But if you away from Lord, then Mahamaya. That make you naughty. So, there is a sloka, there is a text that Jare joiche nasa ese toiche karanitto. Means Lord, whatever He like to play or dance, whatever Lord like to play us or Lord like to dance us, we are accordingly dancing. We must surrender. So surrender, then Lord give us service. So we can go ahead tomorrow. Now, what time over? I don't know, there's I think so many people here observing dry fast. But if you are not dry fast, go and take prasadam. Hare Krishna. Our Krishna Das Prabhu not coming nowadays. Because today is Ekadasi. Ekadasi day, if you see any non-devotee, then it is actually, if you see any non-devotee, then your devotion will go down and Ekadasi have no fruits. Therefore Krishna Das not coming. Is it true? What?